Morning. Good morning. Ready to go check the garden? Yeah? You ready to go check the garden? Yeah, you are. Let's go see what's going on outside, okay? Come on.
Alright, we're gonna take some cilantro here. Wait, that's cilantro. That's pak choy. We're gonna plant some pak choy. You can see the roots. These have grown a little bit since last week rather. So they're about ready to plant out. And what we're gonna do is take this downspout that we harvested all the lettuce from. You saw that. And we're gonna show you how easy it is to clean these out. Because you can see here, this is one of the plants. You can see the pool noodle is actually just holding it in place, and the roots don't grow through the pool noodle, so it separates that easy. I've used that all last season and once this season. It still feels pretty good. So we're going to soak it in a little water with a cap full of bleach and use it again. So at 2 cents a piece, it's quite a bargain. So I've got about 6 uses out of that so far. Right now, if you were using Rockwool instead of these pull inserts, this root mass right here would be grown all through the Rockwool, and there's no way of saving it, and you'd end up having to throw it out. And it's a natural material. It's made out of spun rock. It's like volcanic rock that's superheated and spun like cotton candy. And I don't even know if it's compostable, but some of you guys that do hydroponics that use Rockwool, do you compost it? Somebody let me know. But I just know that you can't reuse it because all of those roots will grow right through it, and there's no way to get it out of it. So it's a one-time use product. The pool noodle there, the pool inserts, you can use several times over and over because the roots don't grow through the pool noodle itself. It just holds the plant in place. So that one right there we've used all last season, which was about 5 times, and then once this season. So we're going on like about the 6th time with that, and at 2 cents a piece, it's quite a bargain. But these are holding up pretty good. We're going to put those in a little cap full of bleach in some water, rinse them out, let them sit for a little while, rinse them out, and they'll be ready to go again. But so I like doing things the easy way and cost effective. So if you're talking about a sheet of Rockwool with about 100 cubes on it, 100, 144 or something, comes out to like between $10 and $15. Last time I bought it. And the pool noodle, you get 4 feet. I paid $1 for that at the dollar store. I cut 48 of them out of there. So you're talking about 2 cents a piece. So to me, that's the more economical way to go. And this guy just gets thrown in the compost pile. The pool noodles get rinsed out, and we'll clean this out real quick. See how easy that pool noodle came off of that plant? If anybody has done traditional hydroponics in the past, you know that when it comes time to clean out your old plants, that you're dealing with hydroton, which is expanded clay pellets, and net cups, and the roots grow through all of that. So you're having to clean it. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, just search YouTube for cleaning hydroton and net cups, and you'll see videos. I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of people out there, because you have to clean all the pebbles, try to get all the roots out, and sterilize it with hydrogen peroxide and other chemicals and that, whatever they use. But I've never been much on going through that much work. And you can see right here, you just take it out, see the roots in the plant. The roots don't grow through the pool noodle. It's just simply holding it in place, and it just pops right off. That goes in the compost pile. The pool noodle, we go ahead and put those in a little water with a cap full of bleach for about an hour, rinse them off, they're ready to go again. And I've used those for a whole season and started using them this season too. So I haven't even bought any new pool noodles this season yet. So that's just the easiest way. Clean out your downspout. That's completely done. We'll take this and rinse it out, and luckily you can see there's no algae in there. Kept all the light out, and it's not really warm yet. It's still spring, so I was lucky and there was no algae growing, so I don't even have to bleach that. I'm just going to rinse it off. Sometimes during the heat of summer, you're going to have a little bit of algae buildup, even doing it this way. And what you can do is just fill that up, put a little bit of bleach in, let it sit. But as you can see, this one, it got a little dirty because we didn't rinse all the soil off of the lettuce, the transplants, when we got them. If you can go back and look at that video. So there's soil inside of there, but for the most part it's clean. Just gotta wipe it off a little bit, and you can see inside there's no algae. There's a little bit of salt built up from the fertilizer, but that's from using it for, this is about 5 years I've used this downspout. So it's actually still doing pretty good. Right here we're just mixing up, that's 5 gallons of water, your masterbilin formula, your masterbilin, calcium nitrate, Epsom salt. I'll link up the other video for that too. You can see how they mix those up. And then pool noodles, I just put in a little container, a little cap full of bleach, and I put another container on with some water to weight it down and push them down, and keep them under the water. Leave it there for about an hour. Take it out, rinse it. It's just fine. Those I've used all season too, and the chlorine shouldn't bother it because they're meant to go in a pool that has chlorine. But sooner or later the UV lights will break them down. They will decompose. So this has lasted over a year, and they're only 2 cents a piece. So good deal, very economical. And here's this all planted out. You all have seen me do that before. If not, I'll do another video, but just some more pak choy, and get another harvest going. When you're ready, just pull them out like that, pop them in, little nutrient solution, you're ready to go. All right, y'all keep on growing.
More of technical advancements and material progress in your lifetime and mine than in all the ages of history.